Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Tattoo with Matt. Recently I made a video of taking the freon panels off my Jeep. I figured it might be a good idea to make a video putting them back on the Jeep if there's any confusion with that. So I have the freon panels right here, left and right. So if you watched my first video taking the actual panels off, you might remember that I took the driver's side panel off first. So putting them back on, we're gonna put the passenger side on first. So we got our passenger panel here first. What we're gonna do, bring it right up the top, very gently set it down, make sure this latch is back. From there, we're going to set it in place. There we go. Make sure it's nice and snug. Next up, we're gonna go to the other side. All right, we're on the other side now. Once again, gently set it down, make sure this latch is back. Set it in place. There we go. Should be nice and secure there. So now inside the car, once again, we have all these latches right here. So we're gonna start first with number 1 and 2. Keep it simple. Front. There we go. These ones can be a little tough sometimes. Then we got our center. Other side. Here we go. So now all the latches are set back into place. Now what we're gonna do is put the screws back in. Once again, on the soundbar, got 2 screws. These can take a little time getting back in, but you want to make sure that they are secure. All right, there's one. You don't necessarily have to over tighten these, but make sure that it is have a good secure tightness to it. Then our other one, which is our last step. And there's number 2. And that is everything. So that right there is putting your freon panels back on, nice and tight. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it informational, make sure to subscribe, give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.